hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there, you know, New Link from New Link Production, and we say attack. So, right about now, people, they are do the vlogging at the early morning, you know, see a roaster time now, people, you understand, because him say wake up everybody early morning, you know. So, when we really going to talk about now, people, boy, is a story, you know, we come to the attacking boss, New Link people. Zine. And first of all, I want to say, big up Mackay News, the real news, Zine on the western side in Jamaica. Well, this is where now, people, this article basically is where a female doing some confession, Zine, and we she really proud about what she did, Zine, because what she did now, people, is that she's confessing that she tied her neighbor man with stew peas. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. No one got God, no one got belly. Hey. Well, now my viewers and subscribers, see, this female who in a Jamaica now, people, see, write to the editor now about her confession, and she not write about it, people, like say she feel away or she feel hurt about what she did. She feel proud and she celebrate about her good stew peas what she use and tie the people, man. Well, now my viewers and subscribers, she said now, right? She comes a boom, she live in this area and this community in Jamaica. Basically, that's so she base and things, see? So, a house, well, the next door are people, they put up for rent and thing. So, she said, a woman move come there with her man, basically, husband and wife move come the people. She said the first time she comes a boom, and look through the window, she pull the curtain and look, you know people moving at night, or Jamaican go people, and pull the curtain and look. Friend, she see the top of the man, go straight down to him foot, people. It's like goosebump take her, she start tremble. She like him, she fell for it, people. She caught up, she chopped, and only thing in her mind is, people, she want him, and whatever it takes, from the first time she laid eyes on him, she a go get him. Well, my viewers and subscribers, she said, she comes about, talk to her sister about the whole thing. Say, you know, sis, I see the man over there, so boy, I love him. I don't know what me can do to get him. Well, people, her sister is like a honey palmer then, you understand? Who know the connection and know the jerks and the kerricks, how to get things work out in these ways. So she said now, her sister comes about now and recommend her to a specific person who know about these things, who know about the tying thing, who know about the chopping thing, who know about the catching thing, who know about the hold down thing and the trample down thing. So she said she comes about now with her sister and then visit the person. And the person tell her, say, look, you know, the goodest thing and the best thing is to hold this man and tie this man, you know. He's in a some stew peas. So she never talk exactly, people, what she do in the stew peas. She never talk exactly to the editor what she do. But me, you know, say, growing up, my grandmother always warned me about the stew peas thing, rest in peace, granny. You know what I mean? Eating from, you know, woman and them something. They be careful because woman can't do what them a do with them red something people. You understand them, mount the thing and put it in there and give man, judge knows. That's that New Link. Well, my viewers and subscribers, basically she say, she get the information, what for the people, and she go home back. So she say, in the evening, one evening now, people, because she never do it the exact evening when she go home now. One the evening now, because she have to watch and study out when she go make the move. She comes about and watch her go on and know say wifey step out, because basically wifey is the one who mostly provide, you know, the stronger part of financial thing in the home where the man live. So she say wifey step out and think people, and she a pray her go on and thing, and she says she be careful because other people live, you know what I mean? That's even on the apartment where them live people, other people live there. So she make sure watch keenly, carefully and thing. She say she never make her sister know when she go make them move people. And she comes and boom, cook on the stew peas and cook it nice and thing and boom. But what she saying to people is not like she never talked to the man before or anything. She do talk to him already, but she never go to him straight up and say, me that one or this and that but she go there and she always try to be nice to him, maybe over there do something in the yard and half him a nice Kool-Aid drinks, maybe some nice, sour orange. Sour orange, Sibble orange, yeah. Some nice Sibble orange, she make it and put some nice crushed ice in it and make it, put all a little, piece of napkin pan the glass and give me, make it feel so decent. Put on one of them shots up there, make it, press the all a tulp up and pull up and bulk up. So, put on one of them tight up sitting the people, make everything just buff up down. So, yeah, very attractive, rated 18, So, she comes to boom now people and she go there and sweet him up and like she just say, John, and call him over and say, what you doing, Come here now, so I cook something nice and ting though, John is one of them wanga go one the people, you understand, licky, and it look like John did even hungry or something, and she said when she comes to boom, it wasn't hard people, the John just take the plate and start nyam. She said he never hard, and she said from that day, John gone nyam this to please my people. Oh my pearl, oh my precious Newling. She get him what she want him. She said people, from that day, every minute, every second, as wife is step around, as I say all in the night, when wife is asleep, John does a screech out of the bed people, round the back of house. They look a cane, some look a cane around the back, some look a banana tree, and the banana tree, she will cock it up around the people and give it to John. She said, no people, she feels so good because she get the man of her dream, which is the people, man. She said the wife kind of feel, a little argument start develop with the wife and the man because she know what to say. The man pressure her more now, the wife, for things. And because she say, honestly people, the man has spent a lot of money upon her now. And she feel good. She said what she want to know people, honestly. She want the wife to find out and then the wife divorce and the man divorce and then she can get the man for herself people and marry to the man and move out of the community with him. Zine? Yes, that's what she said. So now, me I say this now with viewers and subscribers because in some part of these people, honestly, it's funny, but when we look at the whole thing people, she's a really lampile something. She's a really lampile. She's a really, I don't even know what to say people. Trash. Because she can consider being in this position people, doing these things and feel like say, yo, she, it's something good what she do. That's dirtiness, man. And that's why I'm going to tell you, you see some other man out there, because you see me in a cancer, I'm going to tell you this. Some are too greedy. Some are too craven. Some are too wanga belly, man. You man could have your local stupid, you don't have no sense. You didn't grow up with your granny, you didn't grow up with somebody who teaches local sense. And you go and take it. Get it into something. Oh, you so craven. Some of the yam from people too much. If you're hungry, you could find a local place to go buy one local food. I go crash the shop to go buy one piece of bone or 1 2 bulla. You bet you this one local fall in the yard and take one big stone, lick it on her and go cook it, man. I say you're greedy. You gotta eat the stupid. Just what happened to you now? You get caught up. You get caught up now, You think I love all you? As stupid all you. So any man out there because never call in name. Listen, you're in a Jamaica and you know the situation, so you move go somewhere, right? You know that and you go live somewhere and you did it some stupid. Now you know what I go on because basically if I was in this position, people and when me the attacking boss talk about this and the way the attacking boss deliver hit, me would have known myself. So look at them, see I mean that do. Judge. But woman, I know something good to do, Attack for you, Straight attack. See? And you man to me I go tell you this too. You should go eat your stupid so you get piece of the attack too. You should never eat too greedy man. She could have helped us to and eat it. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Jaja. Viewers and subscribers, big up in yourself, my people. You don't know the thing, got more love and more respect. Fully attack, full force. And as I say people, big up Mackay News. You don't know, check out the website people because like a great interesting story to the people. You don't know. the attacking boss, man. In full force, people. Nah, give up, nah, stop on. Big up to everyone who have followed the new IG. You understand? Check below in the description, people, or check over the community board there, and please follow the new IG, because a lot of video where I can't put your people. There, you have a link me through there, man. Boom. You don't know the thing. Well, my people, but that's why I say big up to everybody who has subscribed, who like, who share the video them. You understand? For the world support in every ways and every means, people. You don't know the attacking boss. New link there, my people. Love you all. Big up. Be good, be great, and be safe out there. Full force of the attack. Oh my world, oh my precious new link. Me and I'm Stu Peace.